Hello, guys, I hope you are doing fine. Today, in the class of language, we are going to learn a new topic, and it's called adverbs how, when, and where. So, as you may know or not, we are going to talk about the adverbs. And the adverbs are the ones that shows us how something happened, when, and where. So now I am going to show you some examples. But first we are going to read, and it says that an adverb describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb and answers the question below. So if we are reading on a sentence, we need to ask ourselves the question how often, when, or where. And the answer to those questions are going to be my adverbs. For example, we have the boy plays the drums loudly. The boy plays the drum loudly. So we can say that loudly it's gonna be our adverb because it's how loud the sound is coming. We can say that if we ask ourselves how something is happening, we can have easily, happily, loudly, quickly, quietly, sadly, silently, and slowly. For example, and they live happily ever after. So they lived happily. Happily is gonna be my adverb. In how often, our second box, we have always, every day, frequently, never, often, once, seldom, sometimes. Now, I can ask you a question or I can make you a sentence with a question and ask, do you like drinking soda every day? Yes or not? And your answer can be always or often. I drink soda once a day. With when, we have after, before, early, now, since, soon, today, yesterday. So, when did you go to the school the last time? That can be a question, and you can answer yesterday or since May. With where, we have away, everywhere, here, home, inside, near, outside, there. A sentence can be, I love to play outside my house, and my adverb is gonna be outside because it's telling me where. Now we have 4 examples here. Reads carefully. Carefully, it's gonna be my adverb. Walks slowly. Slowly, it's gonna be. Sleeps quietly. It's gonna be quietly. Sings beautifully. It's gonna be beautifully. And to finish, we are going to learn some new words. And our words ending with PH and with GH. The words that are ending with PH are photo, graph, phrase, gopher, dolphin. We are gonna repeat them again. Photo, graph, phrase, gopher, dolphin. Now, in the words with PH, not all of them are ending with the PH, right? But they have the PH inside the word. Now, with the GH, they all end with the GH. So, you are gonna repeat with me. Laugh, ta, raw, love, enough. Laugh, ta, row, laugh, enough. And The art activity this week in the class of language is gonna be that you are going to draw 3 columns in your notebook with how, when, and where. And you have to provide 3 examples for each column. So you are gonna make one graph similar to this, okay? It has to be like this, with a line with how, with a line with when, and a line with where. And you are gonna put 3 examples of each like this. How, 3 examples, when, 3 examples, where,